Hey there, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this quick and comprehensive tutorial, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process to effortlessly customize the applications that open specific file types on your Windows 11 system. Windows 11 offers a multitude of applications to handle various file formats, but sometimes you may prefer a different default app for certain file types. Whether you want to open images with a specific photo editor or documents with a different word processor, knowing how to change default apps can save you time and streamline your workflow. Before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit that like button. To make an app the new system default for specific file format on Windows 11, use these steps. Right-click on the Start button, then click on Settings. Click on Apps. Click the default apps found on the right side. Click on the app to make it the new default. Click on the file or link type you want to change. Select the new default application. Click the Set Default button. Once you complete the steps, you may need to repeat the steps to change the default settings for other files on Windows 11. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you enjoyed this video and found it valuable, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel to stay informed about the latest Windows tips, tricks, and tutorials.